Ava Lewis, and I worked for Tom James Company as a sales intern. My day-to-day tasks included phone calling existing and dormant clients and cold calling. I also generated RQLs for my leaders to use in their appointments, and I prospected potential clients through social media and in-person conversations, and I helped my leader in her appointments, assisted in delivering clothing. I found this internship through a sales representative within Tom James. I applied through the company's websites and I interviewed with Amy Sachs, who was the intern recruiting lead. Our meeting was on Zoom, and I applied in late October and was accepted in early November. My favorite part was the chaos of sales. My schedule changed a lot, but it didn't bother me one bit. I enjoyed the excellent leadership Tom James has to offer, and I met incredible people. I was able to grow confidence in myself, and I also developed a strong work ethic that I never thought I had. For future interns, I recommend coming ready to work. I had no idea how hard this internship was going to push me, but I am incredibly thankful for the